Good morning, everyone. I'm Kendall Abu Hakim, Chief of the Baltimore City Department of Transportation and Maintenance Division. Typically, most traffic calming requests, which is what speed hump is considered, is done through our 311 system, where a formal request is placed in the 311 system. Our traffic division at the Department of Transportation then vets that request to see if it's an opportunity to install a traffic calming device. For any request, there has to be at least 60% support, whether it be a neighborhood association or the citizens themselves, but it typically is required to be at least 60% participation from the neighbors in the community. The vetting process is typically 90 days. In an ideal scenario, since COVID, that timeline has increased to about 120 days. One of the major contributors to the vetting process is the Baltimore City Fire Department. They want to make sure that it's properly vetted for access of emergency vehicles. So they do play a major role in the vetting process. It is a bit of an involved process. We just ask that citizens have patience with the process. There's a significant number of requests already in the system. But DOT is working very hard to accommodate all those requests and get them done in a timely fashion. A lot of times this doesn't happen during the winter months where we do installs for speed humps. So once the temperature changes and beginning in the spring of that following year and the request was done, based on any backlog or any existing requests, it'll be done that following season.